This technique is one of those that if you learn how to do it, you can literally model and design anything that you want. Walls, furniture, decorative objects, or corridors like the one that we are going to create. So let's learn how we can do it. First, we need to create some reference plans. I'm going to draw 5 of these with 2-meter distance between them. Name them from 1 to 5. I'm going to draw another 2, one in this part and another one in here. Let's call this one A and the other one B. Now we can go to one of these elevations. We need to use mass for this. And if you don't know anything about it, you can watch this video in top right corner. Go to massing and site and click on this in place mass. First, let's set the work plan. I'm going to click on this part and then set work plan. In here, I'm going to use the first number 1 reference plan that we created. And OK. Draw some lines exactly on these reference plans. And then select this SP line and draw some of them in here. Maybe something like this. Now we have 2 options. You can either go to first level and copy it on these parts, or go to one of these elevation, this one maybe, and set your work plan on the second reference plan and draw all of these parts again. I'm going to use first method, so I'm going to select it and then copy it. Make sure that you uncheck this constraint and then copy it on all of these parts. You don't need to copy it between these 2 parts. You can move these aside if you want. Select the second one and go to this north elevation. Now if you double click, you can change its shape. There's no special rule for this, just play with them and create a shape that you want. And repeat it for all of these parts. Now let's go to 3D view, and in here we need to select them all, and after that click on this create form. Let me change it to shaded to see it better. Okay, now we need to go to the other elevation, maybe this one, and in here I am going to create a rectangle on a reference plan. Draw one in this part and then make sure its size is correct. I want to have 20 centimeter distance from this part, and the size of this rectangle should be 10 centimeter. Now let's go to 3D view and create a void form. I'm going to move it to the inside of this form, and now it will cut it like this. We need to repeat it all the way to this part. I'm going to go to this elevation, and then if I click on this void, I can copy it with 20 centimeter distance. It might take a little bit time also. If you create a lot of these voids, it might be heavier, so be patient here. I'm going to select only these voids and unselect this first one, and then copy them all together. If we go to 3D view now, we can see it better. I'm going to select them all and then only select these forms without these voids, and in here you can give them a material. I'm going to give a very simple wood material to this, maybe this one. Okay, and now we can create a camera inside it and look at it from here. Finish the mass, and now you have it inside your project. You can add objects, lighting, maybe a floor, some walls around it. If you use a little bit creativity, you can create a lot of wonderful models. So yes, I hope this was helpful for you and you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!